that noise?
Train.
Train?
You
Kala,
can see in reflection.
kala mo may sumasabog. Ay, punta daw kami dyan sa ano to? Yoshinoya. Malapit na kami sa hotel. Ay, grabe yung lakad namin. Gutom na. So, at least ano na lang 5 minutes from the hotel. Kala ko ano yung maingay. There's another one there, oh. Ay, pala 7-Eleven na, baby. Malapit lang sa hotel din. I remember in Tokyo. Meron kang video like this, baby. Set kaya. Ay, yung walang rice. Ay, ano na lang. What size? Regular. What did you get?
Yakiniku bowl.
Medium large? Oh. Okay. How about drinks? Miso soup. Ano pa? How about mine? Can you check?
What do you want?
You go back to the recommended menu. Okay.
Butter chicken curry.
Butter chicken curry. Okay. Or maybe like that. Sige. Curry. Can you check the curry here? Okay. Butter chicken, beef. As long as it's not beef. Spicy. Oh, sige, ito na lang. Butter chicken curry. And parang masarap yung nasa ano, baby. Oh, what is that thing? Oh, parang masarap yun.
There's also a right, so butter chicken curry.
Huh? What is that? And the ano, you find it. Ah, this one, oh.
Oyakudon.
Oo. Regular na lang. Ah, sige. What is yeah, I forgot na. Tingnan mo. They have drinks. Water lang.
Is that it? Side dish or?
Side dish? Ano? Pickles, kimchi.
It's kimchi and miso soup.
Oo, sige.
I already have miso soup, so it's okay if you have miso soup. Right?
I don't order the miso soup anymore.
So just kimchi.
Yeah. Ay, ito may salad, oh. Ay, hindi. Potato salad na lang.
Kimchi.
No, not anymore. Potato salad. There. Okay. How much?
Change dressing. Sesame, Japanese or not?
Japanese. Okay. Sesame dressing. Ay, not kimchi kasi remember may tummy pala. Nag-ano pala ako nun. I will not have kimchi muna kasi nasa biyahe tayo. Or you also don't eat kimchi. Okay na?
Right.
How much that? Nagpipindot na. Ayan o, send order.
Wait, is that it?
Yeah. Why you want to eat order now?
No, I'm just checking. Yeah, okay.
We just order later.
Oyakudon potato salad. Miso soup.
Hey, beer. Walang beer.
I didn't see any drinks.
Drink? Wala. Kasi
Wait. Yeah, no.
water lang. Sige na, okay na. Send mo na.
Wait.
Ayan, oh. Oh. Shield socket. Ano na lang, bottle beer. Ay, tapos ito, oh. Mackerel. Isa pang mackerel. Tapos yung, beer. At, okay na. Ah, sige. beer. Okay, 1 beer. Okay, that's it. How much did you buy? Okay, 2, 3. Okay, send order. Okay. Processing. Processing. Finish ordering. Yay! My beer. Here's my beer. Yeah. Pero ano, itadakimasu. Enjoy your food. What else did you order?
This
Look at my food. Ang dami kong food. Look at that. Up. I cannot see. Okay, you put now.
Wala.
No more? Okay. How do you pop it? Last